Hello everyone, this is Ayush and today we are going to generate a 5G spectrum using MATLAB.
The first question which comes to our mind is that what is 5G and how is it different from 4G and the previous generations? Over the years, technology has been expanding drastically. The first generation of network was based on analog telecommunications that were introduced in the 1980s. Soon, they were replaced by the second generation, which was completely digital. Then came the 3G network, which ensured more stable and relatively fast mobile connection. 4G network is successor to the 3G network and is widely used all over the world at present. It can maintain stable speeds almost anywhere. The 5G network is currently under development and it can give more data speeds and very low latency. It can be used for modern technologies such as AR and VR too. Here is a table showing the data speeds of all the generations of network. Before we proceed to the code, let us learn what are uplink and downlink. A wired or wireless connection from a local area network to a wide area network is referred to an uplink. In other words, it is basically transferring information from the local area network, that means the personal computer, to the satellite. However, in the case of a downlink, the opposite happens. That means data is transferred from the satellite to the ground. It can be wired as well as wireless. Now, let us jump into the MATLAB and see the spectrum. From the statistics, we have seen that only 6% of the people have subscribed. The other 93% have not subscribed to our channel. If you are a viewer, please do subscribe to our channel. It will be a great help to us. Now I have opened MATLAB and first we have to go to apps section, then we will expand this and go to 5G waveform generator. Waveform generator has been opened. We will first select downlink and we have to set the frequency as FR2 frequency, which is generally the term for higher frequencies. The FR2 band of frequencies are focused on short range and high data rate capabilities. That is why we are choosing this one. And we will leave the bandwidth as 50 and there is no need to change anything else. Now we will generate the signal. Okay, so we have the signal here generated, and as you can see that between frequencies of -20 to +20 megahertz, the power level is around -60 to about -30. If we want, we can export the code to our MATLAB script. To generate the uplink signal, we will click on uplink and we can see that the frequency ranges become FR1, so we will change it to FR2 frequency and then generate. So at frequencies of -20 to +20 megahertz, we have a dBm of -50 to -30. By the way, what is dBm? dBm is actually the measurement of power. Any signal which has a dBm more than -70 is considered good. Want to view the spectrum better, so in that case you can generate the MATLAB code and the code will come in the MATLAB script, and now we can run the script. So there it is again, we have the spectrum of 5G uplink. Thank you for watching this video. Do like this video if you found it helpful. If you have any queries, post them in the comments or get in touch with us. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Education is our future, MATLAB is our feature. Happy MATLABing!